So introduction and theme parts are over. Now it's turn for the composition section. Before I will start discussing about what do you mean by notice writing, let's discuss something about the difficult words used in the chapter. The most important words here are envy. What do you mean by envy? Feeling of discontent caused by somebody else good fortune or success. ठीक है? और what do you mean by ponder? Think about carefully. Why I am recalling the difficult words? Because these are the difficult words that will make your vocab very rich. You have to follow the meanings of the difficult words to have a good command on vocabulary. Fine. Now scoff. Scoff means speak contemptuously. Speak. You have to learn the ability of mocking. किस तरह से आप लोगों पे हंसते हैं व्यंग्यात्मक रूप से. This is the meaning of scoff. So you have to occupy this kind of behavior so carefully, okay, so that you will not hurt anyone. Now what do you mean by cynic? Cynic, a person who believes that people do not do things for good, sincere or noble reason, only for their own advantage. Okay. Howling means very fierce. It is an adjective. Now sublime. Sublime means of the greatest, of most admirable kind. And cuddle means hold close and lovingly in one's arm. Now eternal. Eternal is again an adjective without beginning or end, that is lasting or existing forever. So you have to find out difficult words from the stanzas of the poem also, and you have to write the meanings of the difficult words. Okay. So this is a kind of a homework for all the students who will see this lesson. Okay. So you have to write down the meanings of the difficult words. Now come on, let's see what is notice writing. First of all, you have to understand that what is notice. Okay. Notice is the most common method of communication which gives information regarding an important event, okay, that is about to take place, जो event होने वाला है, okay, and a notice conveys information in a very precise manner, बहुत ही limited words के साथ with a very limited brief manner में वो अपना message convey कर देता है. And with the help of the notice information, with the help of the notice, information is displayed publicly and publicly for others to know and follow. ओके तो हम नोटिस क्यों लिखते हैं कि पब्लिकली बताते हैं लोगों को कि यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस एंड यू हैव टू अबाइड द रूल्स, यू हैव टू फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, यू हैव टू अबाइड द इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन ऑन द notice board. Okay, so come on, let's discuss the example. For example, you are Arun or Aarti, fine, head boy or head girl of your school. Write a notice for your school notice board calling for entries from desirous students for inter-school quiz competition to be held at your school. Okay, and the word limit is 50 words. So word limit आपका कितना है? 50 है. Now you have to follow the format of notice writing. First of all, you have to understand that on the top of the notice you have to write name of the institution which you belongs. Okay, so you have to write down the name of your school here, and you have to write notice in capital bold letters. Then you have to write the topic. Here in the question paper what we are having, that there is a inter school contest. Okay, so you have to write down here the topic inter school quiz contest. This will be the topic at the center of the paper. Now the message, how you will write the message with the particular information given in the question, that this is to inform, and you have to mention the date also. You have to write down the date, on the particular date you are writing the notice. Okay. this is to inform all students of class 10th or class 9th that your school, that our school is going to organize what? Inter-school quiz contest on 15th of April at 12 o'clock. Okay, you have to stop here and then you have to write the venue is school auditorium, and the students who desire to take part, please register their names to undersign. So, here suppose you are the head boy, you have to write down your name. If you are a boy, Rahul, and you have to write down head boy here, this is your designation. And if you are Aarti, you have to write down your designation head girl. So, you have to write down your name and your designation. It should be written in the left hand side. Okay. So, you have to follow the format of notice writing. For following the format of the notice writing, you will get 2 marks. Okay. And other 3 marks will be allotted to you only after analyzing your content. Okay. So, if you follow this format, you will get 2 marks for sure in your exam, and if your content is precise and crisp and brief according to the word limit, you will definitely get 2.5 out of 3. So, your total score will become 4.5 out of 5. So, I think if you follow this pattern of notice writing, if you follow whatever I am teaching in this session, you will definitely get 4.5 out of 5, and maybe you get 5 out of 5, maybe it depends on the examiner, and it depends on you also, that how you will write your content. Okay. So, this is the end of the composition. I hope you will practice the various examples of notice writing for your exam. So, come on, let us see the questions and answer section.